Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackson Summers, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to make money on Pinterest 2020 and how you could potentially earn $150 plus per day with zero investment. And that's very important, as many online businesses are normally going to require some sort of money up front or even a credit card for a free trial, but with this you need nothing. And it's going to implement affiliate marketing and Pinterest pins to make some affiliate income. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's essentially the promoting of other people's products, and once someone buys from your link, you receive a commission. It's something that I've done for a long time. Many people do it to make lots of money online, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. If you want to learn that, please keep watching, and yeah, let's get right into this. Before anything, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you do enjoy. Also turn on those post notifications and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you have any questions, just shoot me a comment below and I will reply back to every comment. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this. So what is Pinterest, right? Well, it's another social media platform that's been around forever. It has over 300 million monthly users, which is obviously massive. And there's tons of people on here that create their pins based around a specific niche. And you can comment on other people's pins. You can react to them. You can engage in them. You can follow people. You can be followed by others, right? Tons and tons of different features. However, day by day, it's becoming more used to promote people's products, businesses, YouTube channels, and blogs, right? And that's just because it uses image like Instagram, Facebook, right? And also uses text, and you can send them directly to affiliate pages or your YouTube channel. There's not as many restrictions as with other platforms, which is amazing. So this is my Pinterest profile, right? I just do stuff about success and about making money online. I just really started it, haven't done much. I have 24 monthly viewers, right? Which is not amazing, right? So how are we going to use Pinterest and affiliate marketing to make this money? Well, essentially, the first way is going to be just creating your own content that people can relate with, and that people think is valuable enough that they will click on these posts and perhaps follow you and click on other posts, and eventually will lead them to a sales page, right, for an affiliate product. The second way is going to be actually messaging people directly, which you can do on Pinterest as well. And you can message people that you already know are interested in the types of products that you're going to be promoting, which is very valuable, right? And with Pinterest, it's not like Facebook or Instagram where people get tons of messages all the time and they probably won't answer them. On Pinterest, you don't get that many messages, as people really don't use it for that, but it is an option, and we're going to be using that to our advantage. So to do the first method, you're going to have to sign up to an affiliate network like Clickbank or shareasale or JVZoo. There's tons of them out there, but we're going to be using the easiest one, and that is Clickbank, as it's very easy to sign up with. They don't really do any background check. They don't look at any links or websites that you plan to promote it on, which is very awesome, as you can promote products right away with no delay and start making that affiliate income right away. So once you have gone and signed up for Clickbank, you're going to go to the Clickbank marketplace, which is essentially where you can promote all types of products, right? There's tons and tons of categories that you can potentially find a product in and promote it on Pinterest within that niche. However, since we want to make quick sales, it's best to go with something that people are passionate about and care about, and that is definitely their health and fitness, right? So click on health and fitness. And I like to scroll through the products, look at ones that I think are good, that have a decent enough initial sale and good average sale. And also, you want to make sure that this is a good product you're promoting, right? And that you would actually buy yourself. Otherwise, you're going to get bored of promoting it and not be passionate about it enough, right? So, found a product here. Custom keto diet. Everybody loves keto diet. It's the newest thing, right? So I think I might promote this. It's got an average sale of $43, initial sale of $29. Average percent rebuild is 75%, which is very good. So everything looks good about this. Now, do not click promote. Do not do that, right? That's not what you want to do. What you want to do is go to the affiliate page here, and it's going to give you all of the resources. They have images you can use, social media posts that you can actually just copy and paste. They have product information, which you're obviously going to want to read over and get to know the product a bit more. Also, they have articles you can use, videos, email swipes, customer demographics, which you can look at, which I obviously recommend you doing, landing pages. There's so much free information and resources they give you. So it makes it a lot easier to sell this product, right? Because they know who their customers are, and they're essentially just saying, here, this is who our customer is. Please sell it. We'll give you all the resources you need. Just sell it and we'll give you a commission sale, right? The thing with these businesses is they really have no overhead, since most of them are digital products. So they can give you tons of free resources and tons of time spent on each affiliate that it doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things, since the overhead is so low, right? So this is a little welcome message from the team here. You can read over and get to know them a bit better. Now, what you really want to do is you want to go to create your affiliate links. Here you can see all types of links that you can use. Now, I would recommend just using the standard link. It sends them to the video sales page. It's quite a good video sales page, right? I think it will actually convert customers very well, as it's very nice looking and gives them good enough information, but not too much where they say, okay, I want more information. I want someone to do this for me, and they click the buy button. Before you just copy and paste this link and throw it in your Pinterest pins, you actually want to put your username ID in place of these X's, because if you don't, they're not going to be able to track your sales and you won't get any commissions. So make sure you do that correctly. Put your username ID in there, and you can just paste that right into Pinterest. Do not shorten the links with Bitly or anything, because Pinterest does not like that. It's against their policies, and you probably will get flagged and your post might be knocked down. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. But as you can see, there was tons of different links you can use, right? But I do recommend just the standard video sales page, as it will convert much better in my experience. Now, once you have figured out the link situation, you're gonna want to create the Pinterest pin, right? And you're gonna want to create many Pinterest pins. Not one Pinterest pin is gonna get you all these sales, right? Because as you saw, I have a couple Pinterest pins. I'm only at 24 monthly viewers, right? I am in a different niche, and I'm not really trying to sell any affiliate products. I'm just promoting my YouTube channel. But it's important that when you create these Pinterest pins, you're not just creating one. You want to create several at a time, plan them out, and post them throughout the week, right? The best way to do it is post about 3 Pinterest pins per day that all lead to your product sales page. That way you are more likely to get a sale within a week or 2 weeks, right? So to create these Pinterest pins, you can do it for free using canva.com. I'll show you exactly how to do that right now. So go over to Canva. It's a free platform where you can make all types of graphic designs for social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, right? Pinterest, whatever it is. And they already have the templates made up for you. So go over to Canva here, type in Pinterest pin, and you can see the templates they have here ready for you. Now, I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to rewrite this. How to create your custom keto diet. Then I'm going to use one of the custom keto diet images that I received for free on the affiliate resource page. And I'm going to essentially just drag that into here, just like that. So it doesn't look too bad, right? It doesn't look amazing. You want to make sure that when you're actually creating these designs, that they look very good and visually appealing, right? And I would recommend actually doing more than one image. That way you get a bit more of a range of people looking at it, right? Because this is just going to go after people that really like cookie dough or chocolate chip cookies, right? But you could also add in images of salmon or different meats, right? And you can make a collage and then nice text. That's the goal here. However, since we don't have much time, I'm just going to make that. It took me less than a minute, and I'm going to download it, right? And just do the suggested, which is a PNG file. Now, once you download that, save it to your computer. Now, you're going to want to go back over to Pinterest, and you're going to go to create pin. So you can create this pin, and it's completely free to do, which is awesome. You can create as many pins as you want per day. And the great thing about it is if you decide later on that you want to promote this pin, you can do that through Pinterest ads, and you can set out the targeting by their behaviors, by what they're interested in, just like Facebook. Obviously, it's not as targeted as Facebook is because it's not as big of a platform. However, it's quite good, and you can set your daily budget just like Facebook. Now, I only recommend you do that if you just want sales much quicker and you have the money to do it. But if you don't, just do it the free way by just creating valuable content on a consistent basis that's going to lead them to affiliate sales pages, essentially, right? And once you start getting some sales, and then you can reinvest it back into the ads on the exact same pins, and promote them to a whole different audience that may be more interested in the products you're selling, which is awesome. Now, what we're going to do is just drop that file into there like we just did. So we're going to add a title and make sure it's keyword packed, as we want it to have the best chance of ranking on this platform and on Google as it can, right? And it's obviously going to take a little while before you start ranking a bit better. The more pins you have that are connected to the same niche with very SEO friendly keywords, then you're going to have a better chance. Also, if you use Google Keyword Planner, you can figure out what exactly is a good keyword phrases to go at, right? In this case, we're just going to use a simple phrase like how to create a keto diet, and then we're going to do quick and easy. There we go. Very simple. And you're going to do a quick description like, do you want to learn how to create a custom keto diet that fits all of your needs and wants? Well, if you do, we have you fully covered with the amazing custom keto diet. And you can actually add in some other information like what people often struggle with, right, when starting a keto diet, and how this product will fix it. In this case, we're just going to use that, but normally you're going to want to add in more information of the struggles that people have when starting a keto diet and sticking with it, and how this product can potentially fix it, right? And then you're going to paste that link that you received, put in your username ID. Let's just say mine is Jack Summers. So there we go, put that in, and once you have all the information you need in here, you can click publish, and you can publish it directly to a board that surrounds your niche. For example, you can do money-making hacks, motivational pins, but in this case, we would obviously want to do something keto related. So we could do keto foods, keto diet, right? And it will combine your post with tons of other content surrounding that niche or topic, right? Which is awesome because it will essentially just get you more impressions and hopefully clicks to that website and that sales page. So that is method 1. Right? Which is pretty cool, and it's a good way. Now, method 2 is going to be something that I've actually seen a lot more success in, depending on how you do it. And that's going to be going to people that are within your niche. So this woman here has 6.3 million monthly viewers. She only has 37,000 followers, not a crazy amount of followers, right? But a huge amount of viewers. And she's very into the keto, gluten-free, paleo, and vegan diets, makes all types of awesome content. So what you can do is go into her follower list here, and you'll see all types of people that love keto diets, love paleo, love gluten-free, or at least interested in it, right? So what you can do is follow them, engage with their pins that they're posting, and you can also send them a direct message. However, some people you won't be able to, right? But in this case, I have found some people that I've been able to actually message directly. So this woman here follows that other account that we just talked about, and I've just written a quick and easy message here that I can copy and paste and send to many people that are also interested in the keto diet. So all I said, hey, I love your pins and passion for health. My friend just told me about the custom keto diet. Have you ever heard of this? She says it has worked very well for her, as you can get personalized keto diets. If you could tell me how you feel about it, I would really appreciate that. Here's the link. And I'm almost asking her for help. I want to know her opinion because she knows a lot about this, it seems anyways. She creates a lot of pins surrounding this topic. So pick someone that has a little bit of followers, anywhere from 100 to 1,000, because they're most likely to respond back to you. And you put, here's the link, and you put that link that we talked about earlier that sends them right to the sales page. And it's that easy. So you can send that message, copy and paste it, and send it to other people that are also following that same account, because we know that they're interested in keto diets or just health in general, right? And we can find other accounts that have different amounts of followers, because that's what we want. We want people replying to our messages, and with Pinterest, you have a lot better chance of that than you would with Instagram or Facebook, since not many people use the messaging feature on Pinterest, right? So when they get a message, they're going to get the notification, and they're going to want to see what it's about instantly. Now, a great way that you can actually do this is by experimenting with the ad copy, right? Keep changing up the ad copy and see what works best for you. The ad copy, if you don't know, is that message we just sent out. So essentially that message is a sales pitch, right? But it does it in a non-spammy way that makes it look like someone else is selling the product, and we just want to know what they think about the product. So what they might do is click on the link, go to the video, watch it, and maybe they will like the product enough that they'll buy it, or at least to try it out, right? And if they do like it, they might buy it again, so you get more commissions. And if they really like it, they might promote it to their own followers, which will even get you more clicks and more potential commissions, which is amazing. And that's just how passive affiliate marketing can be sometimes, and how good of an income source it can be. However, it does take a lot of effort up front. I'm not saying that one post will get you everything you need. I'm not saying that one message will get you everything you need, right? You're going to need to put in that constant effort with consistent content coming out and consistent messages being sent out. And that's going to be the best way to get some affiliate commission sales. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make money on Pinterest in 2020. And yes, this can potentially make you $100, $200, $500 per day, right? It just depends on the amount of effort you put into it, right? And how you plan to tackle this affiliate marketing business, because it can be a very lucrative business if done right. If you did enjoy this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. Also, if you have any questions, please just comment below. I'll respond back to every comment and try to give you the best answer I possibly can. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate all the support we've been getting lately. Stay safe out there, and peace.